Especially about the importance of values and how to inculcate them in daily life. And then we learned about our team members, our different types of personality, and how we can interact with each other better, and to how to leverage each person's strengths and weakness to produce an overall better output.
It will be staying in my mind forever. So yesterday we learned about values and different types of values. So I think I can inculcate some of those into my real life, and then we also thought of bringing on new habits into our routine so that we can be a better person tomorrow. Yeah.
It gave me an insight on how to understand people better and cater to them as per their types as such.
Last 2 days have been absolute journey for me, like journey of self-reflection, like the kind of activities we have done, the kind of...
From the past 2 days I learned a lot about myself, about my values and all this stuff, and how to deal with other personalities.
I learned teamwork, I learned how to talk with all the team members. So for that, thank you, Kantri sir.
The past 2 days have been really thought-provoking and insightful, especially the benchmark questions made me think a lot, go through myself, introspect, and even your stories were very beautiful, very thought-provoking.
I got to introspect and look upon myself in a third person view and have learned many things. Notably, I got to know that I am not a very good listener and I would like to improve upon that skill of mine.
I also had fun talking to sir. He was really open and he shared a lot of things, and I learned a lot of his experience as well. So yeah, it was quite fun. Thank you, sir.
Skura